Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. It's the Christmas season for many of us who celebrate this holy and joyous occasion. The aroma of baking, frying snacks and sweets from all Christian homes fill the air. I bring to you today one such recipe, that is kalkals, which are crunchy and tasty and a must among sweets in all Christian homes during Christmas. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. To make our kalkals, we will require 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of semolina. We'll use the fine variety. Powdered sugar, 1/4 cup. I shall add half a teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Now I shall mix it together nicely. I am making it in a small quantity. If you desire to make a larger quantity, you can double the ingredients. Make a well in the center, to which I will be adding 2 tablespoons of melted ghee, an egg beaten and few drops of vanilla essence. Now I'll be using my hands to bring the dough together. I will be kneading it into a soft dough using a little milk at a time. Our dough is ready. I will sprinkle a little maida or all-purpose flour on a work surface and knead our dough for 2 minutes. Now I shall divide the dough into 4. Now sprinkle a little maida on the work surface and roll out 1 lump of dough. Now we shall cut it into bits. I will be showing you how my grandmother and my mother used to make their kalkals. They made balls like this, which was a painstaking method, but we still enjoy doing it. I will be using these kalkal bats or paddles, which are available in the market. Sprinkle a little flour on it. Press the dough and just roll it off the bat. Make sure the ends have stuck. This is how it is formed. If you want, you can use a fork. The only difference will be that the design on the kalkal will be a little different. But I prefer using the bat, so I will be preparing my kalkals on the bat or paddle. In the same way, we will be preparing all our kalkals. Our kalkals are made and ready to be fried. Place a kadai on the stove and light the gas. Pour in enough oil in the kadai to deep fry our kalkals. Allow the oil to heat. Now we shall drop the kalkals into the oil. Keep the flame on medium. You can also use ghee if you desire. Fry the kalkals till it starts to get golden brown. Our kalkals have turned nice and brown. Now we shall remove it onto a plate. Our kalkals are ready. Do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.